I think I've got the camera set where it's not gonna fall, so fingers crossed. I've recently been watching the Tidying Up show, and it has just gotten me so inspired to clean out my closet and kind of use her method. I'm really good at cleaning out my closets, but I tend to hold on to a lot of things because I'm like, maybe I'll like it in 6 months or a year, or like I'll regret giving it away. But I really like the concept of holding it, and then if it does spark joy, keep it. So her motto is like, it's not how much you can get rid of, it's what truly makes you happy of what you have, and then organizing it in a way that you can see it and that it's neat and tidy. So like she does in the show, I'm going to take everything out of my closets, put it on my bed, everything out of drawers, put it on the bed, and then go through each thing and donate what does not spark joy or sell, and then re-put it back in the closet in an organized way, and then fold everything standing up to put them back in my drawers. So I'm excited, but I'm a little bit nervous to pull everything out of my closets, but I'm always amazed at how amazing her clients' stuff turn out, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. So let's get started. Okay, so I got everything pulled out of my closets and drawers, and it's a little bit scary. I am like shocked that this much stuff fit in my drawers in my closet. Like, it's unbelievable. And I ran out of room on my bed, so stuff's like on the floor because I couldn't stack it anymore. So this is the bed. I'm like, the depth of this is just believable. And there's like 4 stacks this deep. So that's on the bed, and then I ran out of room and put stuff on the floor, and then more bins. And now the sorting process begins. So they always say that it gets worse before it gets better, and that's definitely the truth here. This is my donate pile, and it's pretty deep, so I feel pretty good about it. And then this is what I'm keeping. And now I'm gonna kind of find a way to better organize. So on to the next part. Okay, so I took a break to get some lunch, and now I'm back, and I think I'm kind of at the part where I'm gonna start folding and putting back. I've gotten rid of everything I want to get rid of, so now it's kind of like putting it back together. I really feel like I need a therapist present for this because I've never been more overwhelmed in my life. Like, I can't even like walk on my floor. It's so crazy. So I'm just gonna dive in and like rewatch some of her videos on how to fold and start folding and hopefully getting stuff put away. Why not watch Titanic? Because I also think that this will take more than 3 hours to do, so might as well be entertained. I've also never seen this movie, so I thought it would be something good to watch and help pass the time while I fold shirts upon shirts upon shirts. Okay, so it's about 7 hours later, and I think I'm finally done. It was really good. I really enjoyed it, but I feel exhausted and my back hurts from folding so much. So I'll show you kind of the finished product. So this is the closet. I really like bins, so I couldn't get rid of the bins. And then I've got bins up here with pants, sweatshirts, tops, shorts, stuff like that. And this is the drawers. So these are just like t-shirts, and it just like is so nice to be able to see them all. So love that. And then more like workout stuff down here. And I just ended up folding my shorts like this. It's just easy for me to see them. But got like all the pants back here, and then these are tank tops. And like pajamas. I have way too many pajamas. I have 3 drawers of pajamas, and then like pajama pants, and this goes like all the way back. And more pajama tops. And these like didn't fold well in her method, so I just stacked like the big fluffy ones. But looks so much better. This is my donate pile, and I'm probably gonna put a lot of it on Poshmark, so I'll put my information in the description box. I've got a lot of like tank tops and sweaters, shorts, pants, workout clothes, and some dresses over there. So I would say this was a huge success, and hopefully I can keep it looking good and decluttered and tidy.